Before buying a CPU liquid cooler, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. You might think all coolers are created equal, but some have hidden features that can make a huge difference in performance. Product number 1. Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360. Let's kick things off with the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360. Priced at $76.99. This cooler caught my eye for its impressive rating of 4.5 stars from over 1,700 reviews. If you want efficient cooling without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The optimized contact pressure distribution means longer CPU life and better heat dissipation. With an airflow capacity of 77 CFM, it keeps things cool even under heavy load. The integrated VRM fan helps keep voltage converters cool, which is a huge plus for reliability. Plus, the integrated cable management minimizes the clutter, making your build look cleaner. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get past that initial hurdle, the performance you gain is absolutely worth it. If you're someone who values a solid balance of performance and aesthetics, this is perfect for you. Now, if the installation challenge worried you, the next one on my list might actually be easier to set up while still delivering excellent cooling. Product number 2. Corsair Nautilus 360 RS ARGB. Next up is the Corsair Nautilus 360 RS ARGB, coming in at $129. This one stands out with a stellar rating of 4.7 stars based on over 2,100 reviews. If you're after a high-performance, low-noise cooler, this is definitely worth checking out. The low-noise pump operates at just 20 dBA while ensuring your coolant circulates efficiently. The convex cold plate with pre-applied thermal paste maximizes contact with your CPU, which can help you achieve better thermal performance. Plus, the daisy chain feature for the ARGB fans means less wiring and more streamlined aesthetics. With its strong airflow and static pressure, this cooler is built to keep your CPU cool even under the most demanding tasks. However, some users found the price a bit steep for what it offers. But honestly, when you factor in the build quality and performance, it's a solid investment for serious gamers or content creators. If price is a concern, hang tight. The next product is budget-friendly, but doesn't skimp on performance. Product number 3. Corsair Titan 360 RX LCD. Up next is the Corsair Titan 360 RX LCD, priced at $189.99. This cooler has a 4.6-star rating and over 1,200 reviews. If you want a cooler that combines performance with a flashy design, this one's a must-see. The standout feature here is the brilliant IPS LCD display that shows your CPU temperature, and you can even customize it with memes or logos. The FlowDrive cooling engine ensures maximum contact with your CPU for efficient heat transfer, and the pre-mounted RGB fans offer excellent cooling performance. The ICE link technology also means simplified connections, reducing cable clutter and making your build look great. Now, I'll be real with you. The price might feel a bit high for some, but if aesthetics and performance are your top priorities, this cooler truly delivers. It's perfect for anyone who wants to showcase their build while ensuring optimal cooling. Now, if the price of the last one made you hesitate, the next cooler is not only cheaper, but also has some great features. Product number 4, Cooler Master 360L Core. Now, let's check out the Cooler Master 360L Core, which is the most budget-friendly option at $67.99. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 846 reviews, this one caught my attention for its performance-to-price ratio. If you're looking for a good cooler without spending a fortune, this is worth your time. The Gen S dual-chamber pump design enhances cooling efficiency by targeting heat spots more effectively. It also includes high-performance cryo-fuse thermal paste, boasting exceptional thermal conductivity. The ARGB PWM fans work quietly while providing strong airflow, making this a solid option for keeping your system cool under pressure. However, I did notice some complaints about the RGB lighting being less vibrant compared to pricier models. But honestly, if you're more about performance and less about the bling, this cooler is a fantastic choice that won't break the bank. If you want something that leans more towards professional performance, the next product steps it up even more. Product number 5. Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 420. Finally, we have the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 420 at $81.89. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 386 reviews. This cooler is for anyone who wants a bit more power and efficiency. If you want a larger radiator size for improved cooling, this is definitely worth considering. The 420mm radiator offers an airflow capacity of 110 CFM, which means it cools more effectively than smaller models. It features the same optimized contact pressure and integrated VRM fan as the 360 model, ensuring reliable performance under load. Plus, the sleek design with integrated cable management keeps your setup looking tidy. Some users mentioned that the size might not fit in all cases, which is a fair point. But if you have the space and want excellent performance, this cooler can keep your CPU running cool during those long gaming sessions. This is perfect for you if you're building a high-performance rig and need superior cooling without a hefty price tag. Skip this if you have a smaller case or prefer a more compact setup. So there you have it. 5 solid liquid coolers ranging from budget-friendly to high-performance options. If you prioritize value, the Cooler Master 360L Core is hard to beat. For those who want flashy aesthetics, the Corsair Titan 360RX LCD stands out. And for reliability, both Arctic models are excellent choices. Each has its strengths, so choose one that fits your needs.